Well, folks, good late evening. More so late at night tonight. I wasn't gonna do a vlog or video today because, well, I get home from work about like just a little after 5. Then I check message. Then I check my answering machine, seeing that I had a couple messages and stuff. One of them being from my dad asking about perhaps going and grabbing a bite to eat, which was right after walking in the door from getting home from work earlier today and stuff. So, you know, eventually I did end up agreeing to, you know, um, uh, to end up going out and doing a little something, grabbing a bite to eat at TC Hooligans again, at 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 at, at TC at TC Hooligans again tonight, and so we did. My uncle actually ended up, being along too. Now you're probably wondering what this little bandage is right here. So, um, you know, when I've been at work for extended periods of time, and I have this jacket where you kind of tend to tighten the drawstring pretty good with the hood over. It kind of put a good bit of pressure on the glasses piece right here, where it had kind of started digging in a little bit. So of course you don't want to let it get any worse than it already is. So I just decided, well, I had to kind of trim the bandage a little bit because you don't want it to be too close to your eye. You don't want you know the original long parts of the bandage to touch too close to your eyes. But I just wanted to have a way to make sure that you know the the kind of little mark and stuff right over here doesn't get any worse. So that's why I got bandage here, just in case you're all wondering. So tonight, very quickly, again, I wasn't gonna do a I wasn't actually gonna do a video for tonight. I was gonna take the night off, but I decided, again, I know it's late, but I guess we'll do just one for tonight. Um, so so I thought we'll do I thought we'll do uh, next life hack observing video. Um, this one happens to be about a bunch of actually very great ways that you can use your microwave. That you can use your microwave to make certain things quite a lot easier. The title from the Blossom Facebook page. Let's listen in. Yep, first one is how you can make easy made homemade jam. And now this one is how, if you have stale bread, you can actually put some paper towel over it, wrap it in a paper towel, and kind of wet the top like that. Put it in the microwave for a minute, and it softens it all up. Let's see what the rest of this all has to offer. I ended up backing up the, the video a little bit because for the part where they were going through the garlic method, it looked like, you know, the camera wasn't quite getting what it says the process would be for that. I just wanted you to be able to see and be able to read what it says. So yep, after you cut the garlic in half a little bit, microwaving it for 20 seconds, and that's how easy it is to peel, like that. And this method right here, it looks like you can actually make dried basil, your own homemade dried basil, by putting it in the microwave for 60 seconds. Yep, this last thing here is how you can add a bunch of pieces of bacon together, put it in the microwave for a few minutes, and make your BLT a little extra tasty, right? And that's it. All right. All right. Well, again, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed that little thing about, you know, how much your how much even your microwave even even your microwave actually can make certain things a lot easier, like, you know, how it can make peeling some of your produce items like your garlic, even some of your tomatoes, that much easier. And I think the second to last thing was how you can do, like, you know, brownie method or brownies even 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 in even in a teacup and stuff. All right, that's all for tonight. I'm gonna end the vlog and the video there. Definitely, if you enjoyed this vlog and this video, definitely be sure to give it a huge thumbs up for sure. Be sure to comment down below on what you like about this vlog and this video. Which part of the microwaving hack microwaving hacks you like the most, and you like the best. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, have a good night, everybody.